Hey everyone, I made it into Sam's Club. So it's going to be $80 right here, the 8-inch at wheel. It's perfect for soccer games. There are soccer games all over the place. If you have multiple kids, put all their items in there. And for the 26-inch, it's going to be $40, $39, and $98. I'm just going to round that. But check this out over here, $39.98. They do light up. This one is new. Look at that. Oh, they have the plant one too. We have home and hello. The plates are here for $10. I know we've seen these before. They're still $14.98. Popcorn, candy, gummy bears, a little Kit Kat in here. You get the gourmet popcorn, kettle caramel, cinnamon sugar, and chocolate crunch. They're cute. And you know what? These are new. This guy right here, because they had the unicorn and a dinosaur. Like, look how cute. Why don't they do a doggy Easter one? This would be cute, you know, if they had like little doggy ones. You got Peeps, like Sunkissed fruit bars or smoothies. I'm not too sure. It looks like cotton candy in here. Like a lot of the same stuff you could find in your Dollar Tree. It's going to be a 27, and these are 25 over here. Solar power lamps are 59 and 98, and of course you will get two here. I did find a new basket, and maybe you guys, I'm trying to make sure we haven't seen the same items. Happy Easter. There's one really similar in Costco right now. These are going to be 20, so a little different. Okay, only $11.98. You have the variety, a muffin. We have chocolate chip and blueberry. I'm debating, you guys, if I should bring this one to the teen center. Like, you know, because I don't want to be wasteful if no one's going to eat it. They have powder donuts. You get 12 in there for $7.68. They do have the frosted one. And, you know, you like the honey buns, $6.52. You know, this location doesn't have much like muffins. In a different location, they have like so much snacks. $11.22 here, and you get 32. I hear it's really good to put it in the freezer. And $10.28. Your Danish is $15.34. What do we get? We get blueberry, cream cheese, berries and cream cheese, and apple cinnamon. Men's lucky shirt. They do have buttons. They're going to be $14.98, so $15. And $14.98 for like women's like cropped capri pant. These are pull on. They have the plaid, the black. This is more of a longer version. Oh wow, it's really stretchy. The Gap V-neck, they're $10.98. Now for like the cardigan, this cardigan is really lightweight. It's gonna be $20. Honestly, this is a snag one. I honestly would skip out on this one. And here's those pants. They're only 20. Yeah, these are 20. Maybe I should buy some and try them on. I really love this green, like the khaki. Just not a fan of like the stripe on the side, but hey. A blanket sleeper for children. They're $13.98, so $14. You will get two in here. Trucks and fire trucks for little boys. They also have a dinosaur. I like planes and helicopters. A football one. Look, they have the Hurley out. These are $15. They're calling it the solar hoodie. H2O dry, yeah. So again, if you're doing some type of vacation with water or anything, water play, and they want to put that on after. Nike swim short for boys. They're going to be $17, $16.98, lime green, teal, and they do have the shirt. They are $17, same price. And only $7 for little girls, and you will get two. They're easy pull on. 3 wick candle. They're going to be $14.98 by Members Mark. We have Island, Daydream, Mediterranean Breeze. and rose water. They're really pretty. Okay, I found the waffle maker, like set of 3 again. So they have a shamrock, like a bee one, and a bunny. They're $35. $29.98 each, stainless steel, and of course you will get 2 in here. It looks like dishwasher. You get the straw, BPA free. So the pantry organizer is a 20 now. I really gotta get together in that. I have a tiny cabinet I keep just for stuff like that. $50 here. Look what I found. The Lodge cast iron. You get a 3-piece for $50, which I feel like is a good deal because one Lodge is $20 depending. You know what? I love cast iron. It is my favorite. And $19.98 Yellowstone. Look at the blanket. Feel me, it's like that Sherpa on the inside. And there's one more pattern down here. And of course, you know they always have the perfume, going to be $37. Plenty of Juicy Couture mainly. If you can't find the one you're looking for in your local store, you got to go to Sam's. The Stripe Throw is going to be $19.98. It comes in multiple. And over here, the lounge one will be $10. And $49.98. You have a 3-piece quilt set, machine washable. And then next to me for $40, the hotel collection. $8.98. We have the mini brownies. You get 48 in here. The lemon's gonna be $9.98, and then we have cinnamon for $8.48. So I'm debating between cinnamon, lemon, and brownie. I gotta bring 2 of those to make sure everyone has one. I think people might like the lemon and possibly cinnamon, or should I do lemon and brownie? The brownie you get 48. How many do you get in here? Only 32. Okay, $18.91. What do we have? Stuffed chicken breast with tomato and parmesan. They also have the pork chops with sausage, stuffing, Cajun seasoning, $15.57. $25 for the shrimp. You get cocktail sauce, and $15.39. You have strawberries and grapes in here. Now this one comes with blueberries. They have veggie tray, $11.62 already made for you. Shrimp ceviche and $9.42. And what is this one? Brussels sprouts, bacon onion jam for $8.58. Okay, for the salad, they have the Cobb salad with chicken. That's $9.42. Teriyaki beef udon at $13.48. Baby back ribs are $11.98 here in barbecue sauce. Look, they have sliced brisket, $23.98. Hey, make some sandwiches out of that, like little sliders. Beef pot roast is $25. I mean, I'm gonna spend $25. So I might as well just buy a roast. Like, you know what I mean? So these are $17.98. No jitters or crash. Healthy energy, natural caffeine, no calories, no sugar, no carb. We have mango, blackberry, and raspberry. And $17.90 each. Of course, you get 12. This one's new. We have the coconut mango juice, coconut juice mango for $20. $9.98. We have stuffed crust pepperoni. I love stuffed crust. Okay, you guys, this one is still $8. I do love it. I talked about it before. I mean, it's really not bad for like lunch work on the go, pre-made. You know, there's no judging. I mean, we have canola oil in here, but you know, it's actually really good. Highly recommend if you're eating a turkey burger or even a burger patty, chicken, and I throw a whole avocado on there. Yes, a whole avocado. $9.98 here, and you get 3. So So unlike Costco, Sam's Club soda is still $16.98, so it's not 18. They used to carry root beer here, but they don't anymore. We have the minis. The minis are going to be 15. Okay, they have the Pepsi Peeps. So I was telling my son about this, and he's like, I want to try it. I'm like, I had to buy a whole case unless I find a bottle by itself. But no, he tried that new Coke Galaxy or whatever. He said it was nasty.
Yeah.
$13.88. And I bought a whole case. So what did we have to do? You know, nobody wanted it. The donation centers don't want it. I was like, I don't know what to do. So I had to like just take it to work and leave it in the room. Okay, we have the minis here. Look how tiny. They're $6.78. You got Reese's Puffs, Twix, and cinnamon. Jif to go is $10. The pineapple spears are back for $7.48, and the Woodford, you know, cherries, the bourbon cherries at $15. Desert Wild honey, $23. Mrs. Crockett's for 80 ounce. An 80 ounce here. Oh, that's quite a bit. Plant-based chili, you will get 4 cans for $10. Okay, so an 8-pack of refried beans is $9.32, and you get 8 in here. I mean, it's always good to have, like, you know, if you don't make them and freeze them. I was just at Kroger, you guys, $3 for 2 cans. I was like, oh, I just needed something really quick. That was a lot. I never spent that much on beans. Books, we have Manga, The Art of Manga, that is $16.68. See, I'm not the only one who misses the magazines. She was looking for them. Yeah, they took them out. The Neighbor, Meant to Be, Then You Came Along. The Notebook for $12.68. First grade, pre-K, kindergarten, second grade. My favorite, Lift a Flap Bible Stories. Look at Noah's Ark for $10. Really cool. Remember in school? I told you guys this story before, but every time I see something, I just get reminded how, like, my husband was totally made fun of in a Noah's Ark. Yeah, that was crazy. I thought, she's like, no, Noah's Ark is not real. I'm like, okay, maybe to you that's perfectly fine. We have Curious George, 1136. I used to watch this show all the time. I'll love you till the cows come home. It's kind of funny. Oh, do you remember that show Barnyard? Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
That was on Nickelodeon. Obnoxious show. My kids used to watch that.
I thought it was weird that the male cows were milk cows and not bulls. Yeah. I was like, that's weird.
And $70 we have Hot Tools here. Okay, I want to see if this location had like Fenty that we've seen in the other video. Multi-use hair treatment. This one is $14.98. I do need heat protection. 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. This one's $10.84 and $22. I do like this one. I normally grab a whole bunch when Christmas comes around. You know, I go to the men's razors to like shave my pits, my legs. Okay, so I don't see the Fenty here. I mean, Aquaphor is $14.78, and it looks like they only have Origins, checks and balances, it's for your face, a face wash for $15.98. Origins is pretty pricey, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. $35. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.